If you want Telegram to open automatically every time you turn on your computer, this quick guide will show you exactly how to enable it on startup in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you use Telegram throughout the day and want it ready the moment your system starts without having to open it manually each time. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your computer. Once you're in the app, look at the top left corner and click the menu icon. This will open the main menu with all of Telegram's settings and options. From that menu, click Settings. This is where you can control everything from notifications to appearance and app behavior. Next, inside the Settings menu, click Advanced. The Advanced section contains extra options that affect how Telegram runs on your device, including startup behavior and performance settings. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Launch Telegram when system starts. This is the setting you need to turn on if you want Telegram to open automatically each time your computer boots up. Simply enable that toggle and Telegram will now start with your system. Once it's turned on, you can close the settings and the change will stay saved. From now on, every time you restart or turn on your computer, Telegram will launch in the background right away, making it faster and easier to stay connected. And that's it, you've successfully enabled Telegram on startup. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.